Why isn't your Instagram growing? Are your numbers flat, dropping, engagement waning? If you're an artist or creative or entrepreneur who wants to use Instagram to grow your collector base, you have the right idea. It's a great social platform to reach people who will enjoy your art. However, it can be hard to crack the code. In this episode of The Josie Show, I'm going to give you 4 reasons why your account might be stuck in the mud. Welcome to The Josie Show, where it's artist-to-artist chat about the business of making art and selling art, because I think artists should get paid. If you also want to get paid as an artist, you should start by pricing your art right. This is a huge question I get, so I made a Pricing Your Art Made Easy worksheet, and you can get it for free at josielewis.com/pricing. So I've been growing my Instagram account for years. It waxes and wanes, but currently I have about 500,000 followers. I also look at a lot of Instagram pages, and I've got some opinions about why some pages don't grow. Reason number 1, your Insta page isn't growing. It's confusing. Potential followers are simply confused when they arrive on your page. Maybe they saw a cool art pic or an art video that popped up in their Explore feed, but when they get to your page, they just don't know what you're all about because there's too much random stuff. There's your art, but there's also your dog and your drink and your feet on the beach. I'm sorry, but people just don't care. Your BFF cares, your mom cares, but a stranger who visits your page is looking for one of 3 things. They want to be entertained, they want to be educated, or they want to be empowered. Thanks, Jasmine Star, for those 3 gems. If your posts do not meet those goals, people won't be interested. So the fix is 80 to 90% of your posts should be on your art and your process. And when people arrive on your page, they should be able to tell in 3 seconds or less what your page is all about. Reason number 2, your IG growth is flat. Bad photography. Your art images are blurry, dark, weirdly filtered, and lack context. Yes, I know video is a big thing on the platform, but photos aren't dead. Insta was originally a photo sharing app, and people still use that feature and follow people who use it. So you've got to up your photo game. These days, smartphones are incredible. So really, all you need is good light and a clean lens. Indirect sunlight is probably best and free, but a ring light with a cool color setting will do the trick as well. Reason number 3, your Insta is weak. No video. Yes, photography is still good, but video is strongly favored by the algorithm. I can absolutely say, without a doubt, that video is the number 1 reason my art account has grown. The good news is that you don't need to be Scorsese to make it awesome. Videos under 10 seconds are the most popular and don't require anything more than your smartphone camera, some light editing, and some trending audio. Try art process videos, studio tours, showing your art materials, and a video of multiple angles of finished work. Reason number 4, your Instagram isn't thriving. You aren't posting enough. Or you are posting in a flurry and then you're gone for 2 weeks. Aim to post once a day, and if you can't do that, post on a regular cadence, like every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. You can repeat posts that did well, but wait at least 3 to 4 weeks between reposts. Use a scheduling app to make it easy. I use later.com. Well, there you have it. 4 reasons why your IG might not be growing. It could be confusing, you might need to improve your photography, you might need to utilize more video, and you need to standardize your posting schedule. What have you done that helped you move the needle with growing your Instagram? Let me know in the comments.